the bro hustlers tell you they make $1,000, $10,000, $100,000 a month from affiliate marketing. But we are human. Can we just get to real world here, like to reality, and drop a few zeros and just start at $100? Can we get to our first $100 as an affiliate marketer? Hey everyone, this is Tina from Content Creators Club. I help creators automate their traffic, income, and content. So stick around to this video because I'm super excited to show you how to make your first $100 as an affiliate marketer. I really need to start from the beginning here. In my last video, I told you that I made $7,000 from one blog article, but I'm gonna be honest, I was kind of scared. I thought that maybe this is a fluke. How can I make this a repeatable process where I'm able to at least at a minimum make $100 a month from affiliate marketing? So that got me thinking, can I do this? And then I thought, challenge accepted. So before I accept any challenge when it comes to running my business, there are a couple criteria that need to be in place. First things first, when it comes to making your first $100 as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to think about being realistic, a person, an average Joe who just does not know about affiliate marketing. And one of the things that you need to be realistic is that running ads, not my forte, not going to do it. So there needs to be a way for me to make money from affiliate marketing without running ads, also without having a large as fuck audience. Like seriously, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you may be wondering to yourself like, oh, I need a big audience. I need the traffic. I need all those things. To an extent, yes. But like we just proved in our last video, you don't need a large audience in order for you to make money from affiliate marketing. And I don't have a large audience personally. Last thing that needs to be a criteria here is that I just don't want to be one of those icky sales marketers who spam my links and all over God's creation. Like seriously, like if we're going to be doing affiliate marketing, it needs to be from a point of integrity, transparency, and actually bring value to the buyer at the end of the day. Wow, that sounds like a pretty lofty task. So before I kind of got into doing my research and getting into the nitty-gritty details of starting this challenge, I had to think to myself, well, what is one thing that every successful affiliate marketer has in common? And that's creating affiliate content that converts. But what I noticed even more in depth from successful affiliate marketers is that they create content for every type of lead. They create content for cold leads. They create content for warm leads. They create content for hot leads. And what I've realized is that when you create content for every different stage, you're pretty much catering to every different type of buyer. Number one, for cold leads, you really want to create content that drives awareness to a product that an audience may have not known otherwise. And good examples of this is think about when you're scrolling through TikTok and you see all those Amazon Find videos, or maybe those Get Ready With Me products where they show you the products that may bring awareness to you. Maybe you as a buyer, you may have not seen them before, but because it is brought to your attention, it's brought awareness. But this type of content is really meant for content, again, to drive awareness. These types of buyers in this stage are not really ready to buy, but at least they know that this product exists. And that's the point, to let people know that the product exists. Number two is creating educational content for warm leads. Now, these are the leads where they are transitioning from step one of being a cold lead and they're transitioning to step two of being a warm lead. These are individuals who know of the product and they want to gather more information about the product. And the best way to do that is either through educational based content or through storytelling based content. There are really two examples that I like to think about this, where if you are doing a tutorial based content, really great example is how you're able to do X and get to Y, right? So an example for me is that I wrote an article on how I was able to turn my blog articles into faceless YouTube videos. That drives curiosity. It also drives a sense of educational because I was able to showcase how I did that, but more importantly on the back end, I was actually able to really sell and promote the product that I recommend and use in order for me to do this, right? So educational based content is really great for that. How-to based content is also really good for that. Now, the second piece of creating content for warm leads is really thinking about storytelling, right? Think about, the stories that you can share with either using this product, or you can share stories on how X product got rid of a pain point that you've had. Really focus in on what is the pain point that this product solves. And when you create stories on how you've used this product to help you, that is also a great way for that. So a great way for having your content, either transition to a hot lead or to further engage and educate your audience from that point on. Now, the last piece of creating hot-based content, and it is drop it like it's hot, but seriously, it's actually creating content that actually drives purchases, right? So I would like to think of those leads who are hot leads as individuals who know of this product, they know they want to buy it, but they want to do one last final check before they move forward with their purchase. And the way that they move forward with their purchase is by going online, checking either Google, YouTube, or any kind of search-based platform. And I would say that if you are going this route of affiliate marketing, you want to create content on platforms that are search-based friendly, right? So think of blog articles catering to Google. Think of YouTube videos also catering to YouTube. This type of content is really meant to match buyer intent because you are creating content that is showcasing your experiences. And that type of content can be in the form of product reviews. Product reviews are a really great source of high buyer content pieces for you to create, where basically when you're creating a review, you're giving all the information that a person needs to know before they make their purchase, right? So that could be showing them the good, it can be showing them the bad, giving that person the holistic information so that they can make a decision from that point on. As an affiliate marketer, of course, you have to be very upfront with you being an affiliate marketer, because you're basically showcasing your experience. You know, when you're upfront about being an affiliate for a product, a person would either do one of two things. Either they believe you less or they believe you more. And when I say by they believe you less, obviously you have skin in the game as an affiliate marketer, but when they believe you more, that also keeps in mind that you have skin as an affiliate marketer, and more than likely they may actually appreciate that you created content to recommend for them to look at before they make their purchase, right? So with that being said, you know, I've had people come to me and say, hey Tina, like I read your blog article or saw your YouTube video, thank you for creating this content piece for me, and they went out of their way to purchase through my specific affiliate link, right? So, you know, it is kind of both a good thing and maybe sometimes a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. As so long as you're being transparent that you're an affiliate marketer, you should be fine, but also it's just a good thing to keep in mind whenever you're creating content. When it comes to actually going to do this, I like to think of this as 3 steps. The first step being is that you want to create content again on a platform that is search friendly, right? So blog articles cater to Google, YouTube videos cater to YouTube. These are platforms that are search friendly where people can just look it up, see your experiences, see what you have to recommend. So when you create content on those platforms, there is kind of 2 things that come into play. You're leveraging search, but you're also taking into account of something called it being evergreen content, meaning that it is accessible 24/7, 365 days a year, so that people can review your content at any point in time. And it's important to create content where it's not basically trendy, but it's also a way for you to actually give value and provide more education on the product that you're promoting. Now, I'll be completely honest, I am not an expert in SEO, but I do recommend my friend Victoria, who has an amazing ebook on how to write blog articles that hit the Google front page. She does really good at doing that, and I've leveraged it myself, and I recommend the product. Again, example of an affiliate marketer. I'm an affiliate marketer, but when you promote products that you love, it just comes naturally. It just becomes easy, right? Now, the last piece that kind of brings this all together is, you know, catering to those different types of leads. You want to create at least one piece of content for every single stage, right? So you have a content piece for the cold leads, you have a content piece for the warm leads, you have a content piece for the hot leads, right? I would say at the bare minimum, whenever you're recommending a product, you want to choose a product that you love, so it's easier for you to promote, and that you've used for integrity. But B, you also want to create content for those different types of stages within the buying process. And really what this comes down to at the end of the day is that when you learn how to do this once, you do that same process for every single product that you recommend going forward, right? So just to kind of recap everything that you've learned here today is that when you think about the content for cold leads, you want to think about short-based content. These are, you know, great recommendations that I like to look at is Amazon videos. When you think about, you know, creating content for warm leads, great content pieces are educational based videos where you're actually showcasing, how to use it, the story that you've experienced with this. And then at the last piece of content piece is creating content for hot leads, where you're either showing them a direct review and just giving them all the information they need to know before they make a purchase. But there's one more strategy that I need to tell you about that has actually got me a long way to converting leads into buyers for my affiliate products. I'm about to get into it. So the last strategy that has gotten me a long way to converting leads to buyers for my affiliate products is actually really tapping into the psychology of buyers, right? So let's go into buyer psychology. People always like to purchase things where they get more bang for their buck, right? So think about those examples where you see sales of like BOGOs, where it's like buy one, get one free, or where you get bonuses when you're purchasing a digital product, right? So I want to take that same concept, put a pin in it, and apply it to what you can use as tools within your toolbox as an affiliate marketer. Well, an example of a way for you to actually increase conversions to your specific affiliate link is to have a gift incentivizing strategy, where basically whenever you're creating your content pieces, you directly tell your audience and say to them, hey, if you purchase through my specific affiliate link, I will give you XYZ gift for free. And what that does is you'll tend to see either more conversions come into place, and then you'll also see more requests come into place asking for that gift that you said that you would provide, right? And so what that does is it credits you directly for the sale, but it also allows the buyer to get more than what they pay for. Now, when it comes to the logistics of actually fulfilling that gift, I really don't like to overthink about it. I just simply say fill out this proof of purchase form, and when they fill out the proof of purchase form, they will upload their receipts, upload the email that they use when it comes to purchasing the product. And what I can do as the affiliate marketer is I can go to my dashboard and actually match up the form to the purchase to verify that the sale actually happened. And then what I can do from there is I already have their email on file from the form that they filled out, and I just email them a gift, right? Now, when it comes to different gifts, again, I don't like to overthink this, but really think about pairing gifts that actually work well with product that you're recommending, right? There are really different ways that you can provide gifts to your audience, but again, the whole goal is to provide value to them and to give them more than what they pay for. So that is pretty much it. When it comes to getting your first $100 as an affiliate marketer, again, you want to be on a platform that leverages search-friendly content. I really recommend Medium, and I also recommend YouTube just to cater to those search-based platforms. And then when it comes to actually creating content, there are different types of content you could create for warm leads, cold leads, hot leads. Every type of lead stage, you want to create a content piece for that user. And then lastly, you want to create a gift where if a person purchases through your link, then all you have to do is fill out a form and you can give them a gift in the process. So if you stuck towards the end of this video, I highly recommend you check out the freebie that I have in this description box, where basically it's my affiliate database, and all I do is I just have one database and I'm going to give it to you absolutely for free, where you can actually store and track all your affiliate links into one place. I actually use this within my own business. I really love it because instead of me having to find my affiliate links within my personal dashboards, I can just put them all in one database. Thank you so much for sticking this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.